Nothing's kind of covering her mouth a little bit.
Perfect.
It's the head's too big on
Her,
her.
it's her, yeah.
And
All right, you ready, guys?
she's got the shortness like I do, eh?
You got your controllers on the side, Heather.
I see someone.
Did you give her the controllers?
What do we know about the Earth? Well, surprisingly little. We do know that the continents drift. There are plate tectonics that cause features on the surface. But
Why
we
do
don't
we
know
have
exactly
plates?
why that occurs, and we don't know why it doesn't occur on other planets. The way scientists are going to learn about the process that created the Earth is by getting evidence for the entire solar system. How was the sun and the other planets created? as
This
well?
is so cool.
It's a big
So here's what we know and how we know it.
And over planets of rocks. They're made by rocks.
At the beginning, we believe the solar system started as a gas cloud that moved around the galaxy. And at some point, a star nearby exploded and sent a shock wave through it. That ripple caused the gas to gravitationally collapse, forming the sun and a protoplanetary disk around it. During the first 100,000 years of this solar system, the dust is colliding into each other and creating little clumps. This is called the primary accretion stage. And by the
How you
end of the
doing, Heather?
100,000 years,
Good.
a kilometer-sized rock is enough
Love you.
to accrete or gather additional material and allow it to grow. That continues on for roughly 10 million years. The inner part of the solar system has rocky planetesimals becoming planet embryos, whereas the outer planets are becoming much bigger. It's colder out there, and so when the dust and clumps hit each other, they attach more easily. So things are more efficient and grow bigger. The next 100 million years is the giant impact stage. That's when much larger objects are colliding with each other. The planetesimals are really forming and becoming the planets that we know and love. With roughly 4 rocky planets in the interior, 2 gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, and 2 ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Right in the middle of there's at 60 million years,
Wow.
we believe the moon was formed.
It's
And
Venus.
the current theory is that a object the size of Mars crashes into the
Yeah,
Earth,
baby girl.
knocks some debris off of it, and a very hot molten goop stays in orbit around the Earth. That goop cools into a spherical object and becomes the moon. So part of that impact stage was also the creation of the Earth-Moon system. For the next 600 million years, we go through a late accretion stage, where you have Pluto-like objects crashing into the Earth and to the other planets, and depositing metal. You see, metal, which is a very heavy element, sinks towards the center. But in a late accretion stage, if something hits the Earth, metal can be deposited at the surface. And so the trace elements of different metals that we discover today are because of that stage. There's some speculation that a lot of violence occurred between 600 and 800 million years, that Jupiter and Saturn migrated their way towards the inner planets, cleared out a lot more of the rocks and other stuff, and then eventually migrated back out. During that stage, other interesting things could have hit the Earth, like comets carrying water, explaining the existence of water on Earth. At roughly 1.6 billion years, all the heat in the core is trying to escape the Earth, and the additional radioactive elements are heating it even more. That heat plays 2 important roles. It allows activity in the core, like spinning and the molten metal, to remain there, and it is probably the source of the strong magnetic fields on the Earth. It's also important because as the heat tried to escape, it broke up the continents, it broke up the surface of the Earth and created the tectonic plates. Those plates then began to move due to the heat and created all kinds of interesting
We'll come back
things
for the other one.
in motion of the continents themselves. Much later, other things formed at the crust. All that heat coming out maybe created these mantle plumes, which add additional volcanoes and create hot spots like
It's-
Yellowstone National Park.
And then you thought it was different.
We don't have exact dates.
The
for all
mall's
of that
closing. We gotta
activity,
go.
but that's a sort of
We'll
rough
come
picture
back and
of
play
things
the.
going on.
We'll play the other one.
All of those things, the tectonic plates, the
Do
magnetic
you want?
field,
Do you want to watch? Keep
they
watching.
just turn out to be incredibly important things for life on Earth.
I
They
want to
make
see a video.
Earth a very nice place
What is
for organic material.